What's up, YouTube and fellow pyros? Back at you again with some more new for 2017, fresh off the boat from China fireworks from Certified Black Label and big fireworks. It's pretty bright out today. Hopefully it's not a glare. I don't know if you can see that good, but this is Sky Magic by Certified Black Label, also known as big fireworks. Very nice wrapper. Got your performance there, performance scale. Let's see where the actual performance is right there for you. Pause it and read it. 25 shots. Very nice. Next, we have Committed. 24 shot. Again, stepping up the game on the wrapping. That's a nice wrapper right there. The top of that. Here's your performance scale. 9 out of 10. It's a banger. Here's your actual performance. Next, let's get this out the way. Redneckery. I think that's how you say it. Check out that wrapper. Nice. Bubba approved. 25 shots. Very nice. Like the top of this wrapper. Look at that. Another 9 out of 10. Banging. This one's gonna be banging. Look at that. Like you got your tubes exposed. It's pretty sweet. Hope you guys can see that good. Very nice. Got the duct tape. Moving on, we have Rise of the Underworld. Oh, you can see this wrapper. Another 9 out of 10. This is a heavy cake, so I expect this one to really bang. It's a big 12 shot by Certified Black Label. 12 shots. This cake has some weight to it. There's your performance. Nice. And last but not least, we have the Immortal Truth. This is a fan cake. Face toward the audience. This is a big fan cake. I think it's huge. Six out of 10, and the loudness. So hopefully it has some nice effect in it. Good performance. 32 shot. That's a big fan cake. There you have it. Immortal Truth. New for 2017. Sky Magic. Rise of the Underworld. Committed. I like that wrapper. And the Bubba approved Redneckery. Very nice. That's it. Be safe.